Thursday after work, I'm gonna stop vlogging every day. I've decided. Weekly vlogs, yes. Vlogging every day, no. It's kind of boring. It's boring to me. Okay, it's not that it's boring. It's just, it's that it's not vacation-y. You know, it's, I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's not that it's boring because it's real life. It's very relatable. But I don't know. I think I'm only gonna do I don't know if I should just do weekend vlogs. I just should stop vlogging altogether, girls, guys. I was only joking when I said I'm not gonna vlog no more. Psych! April Fools. Is it April? Because time moves so fast. Is it April yet? Well, anyway, April Fools played a joke on you. I'm not stop vlogging. I was just joking.
Stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it. I done grew around some people living their life in bottles.
I decided not to start in the kitchen today. It is Friday. I'm so excited to get the weekend started. I was gonna tell y'all something. I forgot, but I know that I was gonna say that. I forgot. I can't remember. Well, today is 64 degrees. It says it's cold. You know, I'm going to report the weather on here just so I can have something to look back and say, Florida don't get cold. And then I remember, oh yeah, last year it was 64 degrees on March 10th. I think today is March 10th. Anyways, but the sun is shining, but they are covering it up, of course. And I'm gonna try to get a little glimpse of it so you'll see the sun shining and you know, make sure I ain't capping for receipts, because you know that's all y'all do these days, like receipts. But I don't know why, because half of y'all be lying all the time. But yeah. But anyway, let's get this Friday started. I gotta go help my parent. We gotta go help our parents this weekend. My parents this weekend. That's just just a memory to put on here. I ain't gonna put their business in the street, but we gotta go help them. And I hope I remember why I gotta go help them when I see this vlog like 5 years later. Yeah. Anyways, all right. So let's view the sky. So we'll have that on vlog, you know, for receipts, just for us, you know, for the future. So you saw the sky, you know, with the sun and them covering it up for the future. You get what I'm saying? But I'll see y'all after this time on this clock has run out for Friday. Peace. So since nobody else wanted to call me back, I got some good insight from one of my Instagram friends. I don't want to say followers because we're not followers. We're just friends. But I'm so glad that this girl commented, or young lady commented on my story. You know, she actually went back, watched the video, and commented, and gave me some good insight on things that I didn't even think about. You know, my mama often tell me a couple of things that she said of true life, and you know, it just helped me to understand more and more the reason why I'm blogging and the reason why I really shouldn't give up on blogging. You know, I feel in my spirit that I'm vlogging for a reason anyway. Like I said, it's out of my comfort zone, but I know that I'm on here for a reason. And although sometimes I get sidetracked on how many people are viewing it, it's the quality, not necessarily the quantity. And that just came to me as I was driving. So I'm like, let me turn this camera on and share some of this, you know, thought for thought. But she really did. She shared some great insight on, you know, inspiration and how I inspire her. I've never met her in real life. We have been, I think we're birthday twins too, honestly. And so if a Capricorn tell you the truth, I mean, if the Capricorn give you some feedback, you better believe it's 100% how she feeling. It's 100% honesty. It's 100% real. I know, I'm one. I really hate the way people in Jacksonville drive. And it's so much worse because everybody is here. New Yorkers, Texans, Californians. You see, I had a squirrel moment. you know, because I was talking about one thing and I went to something else. But anyway, yeah, but so, like I said, I mean, sometimes I need insight too. And I'm a very confident individual, but, you know, this vlogging is new to me. It's new to us. And I did not expect to be vlogging this long or this vlogging the stuff that I'm vlogging every day. But see, like I said before, and she said too, my mama said too, you don't never know who you're helping. You don't never know what people need to see, want to see, need inspiration, motivation. And this is like, you know, sometimes you just need that. I don't know. I watch other people's vlogs for years. I have. And I probably should have stopped vlogging. I feel like I should have stopped vlogging when I lived in other countries a long time ago. But I mean, everything happened for a reason. So I'm vlogging now, or starting in 2020. Actually, the day 2020 hit, I started vlogging. I think it was January 1st. But yeah, till now. So we're in 2023. You'll never know. And I'm still here. So, you know, I'm going to continue to vlog. And I go back and forth in my mind if I should or I shouldn't. I should quit. I should not. But, you know, it's just so many things. Like I said, it's out of my comfort zone. And it's a new experience for me. And I don't know what people want to see. And then, like I said, I get discouraged sometimes by the amount of views. And then it's like, okay, like I just said, driving home, it was like quality over numbers, or quality over quantity. So whatever, it ain't even all about that. Like I said, people buy views and subscriptions and all that stuff. But anyway, Friday afternoon has started, so the shenanigans has commenced, and I'll see y'all. I'll call y'all back either later or tomorrow.
Okay, I'll wait till you through saying it. Go ahead. You ready? My son-in-law said I peed in the bed.
I did not look.
Yes, he
it
did.
Was a
And his
joke.
name, mother-in-law peed in the bed.
Ew. Okay, we what we doing in here?
We are moving.
I didn't want to put the business street early, but that's what we doing. What we doing? Moving. Y'all heard her. Can't never talk about me, baby. The apple does not fall far. Grand Rising, let me tell you, it's cold out here this morning. It is pretty chilly. I'm drinking a previous juice. This is not that. I just used the bottle. This is cucumber and pineapple. Cheers. Turned out to be a beautiful day out here. Beautiful. Addition to our family. I'm gonna have my address on it. Pieces to our new addition upstairs. King Tut wall down. I don't know if y'all remember King Tut wall. Had to take it down to put my friend over there, but I knew it's addition over there. It's going to be more than 10 to 12 minutes. I know that for sure. We did it. We are now
This is the roof.
in the Sauna family. We are now in the Sauna. We did that. Now we don't need that one. It's a portable one. But our first try, we're gonna do 100 and what I had it on 13 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and see how it goes. This is our sauna all put together. It even has a light. Boom, temperature sensor, speakers, Bluetooth. Got our seat, our door. We all put together now, baby. We in it. Got the sauna for the first time. About to play 2 Chainz, so I'll call y'all back. Sauna for the first time. Had to take the shirt off. I raised the temp to 1 something. I forgot. 1 something. I can't remember. Right now it's at 102 and I'm assuming I'm at 20 minutes. I think I put it to 30 minutes. We'll see. And if it's not enough, I'm definitely going to go up. I love a sauna. I love, 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 love a sauna. Like, that's an understatement. Okay, I know it's a lot that I say I love, but these are all legit things that I love. Sauna is one of them. That's why every time I go to the gym, you see me in the sauna. It's important. The sauna is necessary. I'll put the reasoning, the benefits for the sauna on the screen. Here you do have Bluetooth. You got your reading light. You got speakers. This is the towel rack, but I put my shirt up there. You got the MP3 player, which I put my glasses, but I need to take my glasses out of here. Magazine rack. Like I said, the door. It's my own personal little door. You got the heater. It's like 3 heaters in here, I think. And then there's a floor heater as well. We sauna together ourselves, and it literally took us about, I'll say 45 minutes to an hour, just because my husband was reading the instructions too. And, you know, but we put it together ourselves. Like, some of it came pre-assembled, but for the other stuff that this bench, the floor, you got to connect the walls, all that, we put it together. But together we work together. My time ain't even up, and I'm already sweating a lot. I've been here for probably less than 10 minutes. It's time to wrap this up. I got somewhere to go. We got somewhere to be. Look how the ceiling is right here. So this is literally like, I'm 5'4". See? Probably like, I don't know. You tall, you have to duck to get in, but you can still get in. Okay? So, okay. That wraps up this first session for the sauna, personal sauna. Bike week. First bike week for Grandpa. This is Grandpa's first bike week. This is your first bike week.
Yes.
Isn't it exciting?
How do you want so much Squidward?
Because it's for like pee-pee. Hey. That's nice. We were really looking, you know. We really I like this store.
Tell them bitches I'm a top dog. Get shot, rollin' with them, let the propane outside, but you niggas doing donuts. Yeah, got the money in the headlight. Big dog every time we hit the red lights. Get shot, ain't nothing but a good day. Don't die, ain't teach me how to pump fake. Big shot, bitch saying I'm a cool cat. Fuck that, tell them bitches I'm a top dog. Get shot, rollin' with them, let the propane outside, but you niggas doing donuts. Yeah, got the money.
You need to take a picture over there.
Big dog every time we hit the red lights. Get shot, ain't nothing but a good day. Don't die, ain't teach me how to pump fake. Big shot.
Grandpa, you had fun at bike week?
Yeah, I had fun.
See, that's his first bike week in Daytona.
Because she said has a sports scene in here.
Made it home from Daytona. And we went to Buc-ee's too, but I didn't really film in Buc-ee's because we had already had a vlog in Buc-ee's. So I didn't necessarily film in there, but we did go.